Okay, so first we'll be discussing about how to fill in your forms. Okay, because yesterday only we have got our application form in the evening, so I'll just give you a proper guide about how to fill the CSIR net 2024 June 2024 paper. Okay, because majority of you make mistakes in filling up the form. So how you have to do it, let me give you the entire guide related to the same. So be there till the end of the complete explanation. It will help you in the entire understanding. Okay, so first thing first, remember to have all your scanned copies ready. Scanned copy of your photograph, that is a passport size photograph. Try to keep a scanned copy ready of your identity proof, that is your Aadhaar card or whichever you want to link. Right, we'll have a complete list discussed, wait for it. After that, you should also have all of your mark sheets ready. Okay, you need not to upload those mark sheets, but they'll be asking you about the percentage, so try to keep a calculative percentage ready already. If you have all of these things prepared initially, then make sure to fill in the form as early as possible, because what it will help you out, it will help you out in making sure that the form gets filled smoothly, because it gets very difficult for students to fill the form, as they sometimes might not have scanned copies of photograph or identity proof or anything. So try to have all the prerequisites ready with you all. If you have all of that, try to fill in the form in the given time itself and as soon as possible, because do not wait for the last window, do not wait for the last day to fill in the form. It will backfire you, because majority of the time during the last few days left before your like exam form filling, the site gets hanged. So try to fill in the form as early as possible. Also make sure to read the details properly, to find out, like, just make sure that you're reading what you are putting in. That is, sometimes students make mistake in their own spelling name or in their father's name, mother's name. Try not making such silly mistake. Try to be very attentive while you are actually solving out, or you're actually like giving up the form details. Okay, I'll just show you the entire uh, path or the entire flow in which you have to fill in the form. Let me share that particular screen. Just give me a second. See, this was the notice that was given by the CSIR, joint CSIR net examination 2024. So if you look into the details of the entire thing first, this myth has been like properly resolved, that the paper has been postponed. No, you have got your details, you have got your entire thing. Then the paper will be in the CBT mode, that is, it will be a computer based test, because UGC has given up a very like different notifications for this time for their UGC examination, but CSIR has made it clear that they'll be taking the examination in the CBT portal itself. Then submission of your online application form is from 1st to 25th, 1st May to 21st May. Then last date of payment is from 22nd to 23rd, but try to do your form filling and everything till that particular time itself. Correction window 25 to 27. Date of examination 25, 26, 27 June. So at the end of June month, you will be having your examination. Mode of exam is what? Mode of examination is CBT, I just told you. Then you have the duration 180 minutes, usual, normal. Pattern of examination is it's an objective type paper with MCQ, the normal form that we have. Right? Medium of paper, it will be bilingual as like the previous trends. Then total test will be in five languages, five different subjects. So we all are focusing upon our life sciences, so just focus on that. Then what do you have to do, like the entire detail and everything is there on the website as well, but more or less there is no very different or very new unique change. Whatever was supposed to be like told up, it's there in this particular public notice itself. Right now, how do you have to apply? you have to click on this particular link, that is the csirnetnta.ac.in. Either you can apply from here, or you can directly go to Google, write down CSIR NTA. It will direct you to that particular website, right? Just click on this particular website and it will direct you to this particular page. On this particular page, what you have to do, you can see the blinking of CSIR. Join CSIR UGC Net June 2024 is live. So what you have to do, you have to click on the very first latest news, that is Join CSIR Net 2024. Click here to register or login. As and when you come click over here, as and when you click on this particular link, it will direct you to this particular page. Okay, when you click on this particular page, because you have not yet applied for it, click on new candidate, register here. So because you are a new candidate for this particular time, so click on the new candidate registration. It will give you all the information here. What all are the informations? So general category fees amount is 1150. For general EWS OBC NIL central list 600. For SC ST third gender, it is for 325, right? Now first is your registration, second is your application. First you have to register in the entire thing, that is you have to get your application number generated via this first step, and then the next part. What all things are required? So I've just told you. Over here you have the entire list. Recent photograph should be clear or black and white, but with a very clear contrast. The your image should be very properly visible. Then your scan photograph and the signature should be there in the JPG format. Scanned photograph size should be 10 KB to 200 KB. Scanned of like signature between 4 and 30. Then scanned copy of certificate should be from 10 to 300 kbs. Okay, then you can pay via net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, any of the things, right? Now what all steps are there? Make sure that your password is something that you're able to remember. Try not making a silly mistake of keeping a very difficult password and then forgetting during your admit card downloading. Try to keep that password simple enough to so that you can remember it, or write it down somewhere and keep it as and when you generate it. Okay, then password must be 38 to 13. All these are simple things, right? Now as and when you have read all of these things, you have to click on I have downloaded the entire brochure and I have read all the things. So click here to proceed. As and when you click here to proceed, what do you have to do? If you have a Aadhaar card and you want to do it with the help of Aadhaar card, click over here. If you want to do it with the help of PAN card, click via that, so on and so forth. So when you if you wish to click via Aadhaar card number should be applied over here. Like let's say write down. Now, this is just a vague number which I have written down. Make sure that you write down your correct Aadhaar number. Then you have to click on generate OTP. As in, when you click on generate OTP, it will direct you to the next page where you have to put in that particular OTP, and then you have to start with your main registration. Okay, see over here, new candidate registration. Then it will ask you whether you want to do it with the help of Aadhaar card or which of them. Do it via that. Generate the OTP, log in via the OTP, and then you have to actually register yourself with the name, father's name, mother's name, address, all these things, right? Because all these things are confidential. That's why I'm not filling in here online. But this is just a complete guideline about how you have to do it. As and when you write it down, you get a OTP generated. So this is an invalid Aadhaar card. I've just added on for you so that you can get to know. So as and when you click over here, generate OTP, it will direct you to the next page, and then you have to start with the next process. First is your registration. After that, second step is your main form filling. First, you have to register, and then it's the main application form where you have to declare every single thing that is asked to you, right? I hope all these things are clear, right? Make sure to fill in the details very, very nicely. Make sure you're not making a silly mistake in filling up the form, right? Fill your form properly. Make sure you're not making a mistake in filling up the form, first thing. Second, no spelling mistakes should be there. Pay your fees right on time and keep a downloaded note copy of your application form with yourself, and it will help you out in the while you have your main examination. Okay, because at that time it would ask you for downloading the admit card. You would require your application number, your password, all these things, right? So please make sure to follow all of these steps. It is very, very important. I hope all these things are clear to you. If you have any doubt, any problem, please ask down. I'll help you out in the best manner possible. I'll also share the link of the same in the groups, on the Telegram channel, on YouTube channel, on in the description box of the various videos that I'm going to share as well. So please make sure that you do it properly, and if you find any difficulty, please feel free to contact on the WhatsApp number that you have for Botany Insider, that is 9718170165. Okay, you can WhatsApp on this number as well, which you all have, or you can message via the various groups or on the Telegram channel, wherever you wish to. Okay, so I hope this is clear to all. Yes, is everything clear to everyone till here? Yes. Have I made all the things properly clear to all? And I'll upload the same thing on the YouTube channel as well. Don't worry about it. Okay. Please make sure to fill in the form on time.